Are you interested in making $100 daily from the comfort of your own home? Well, you might want to consider day trading in the foreign exchange market, commonly known as Forex. Day trading involves buying and selling currencies within the same day to take advantage of price fluctuations. It sounds complex, but let's break it down in simple terms. Firstly, you'll need a computer and a reliable internet connection. Choose a reputable Forex broker to open an account where you can deposit some money to start trading. It's like having a wallet for buying and selling currencies. Next, educate yourself about the basics of Forex trading. Understand how currency pairs work, such as the relationship between the US dollars and the euro IR. Now, let's talk about the strategy to make $100 a day. Start by focusing on a few currency pairs, like your host or GBP, and learn their patterns. Keep an eye on the news, as economic events can impact currency prices. Use technical analysis tools, such as charts, to identify potential entry and exit points. Risk management is crucial. Only trade with money you can afford to lose, and set a daily goal, like making $100. Don't be greedy. It's better to secure small profits consistently. Consider using stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Practice with a demo account before risking real money. This allows you to get the hang of trading without any financial risk. Once you feel confident, start with a small amount of capital and gradually increase it as you gain experience. Remember, successful day trading takes time and dedication. It's not a guaranteed way to make money, and there are risks involved. Stay informed, be disciplined, and continuously improve your trading skills. With patience and practice, you may find yourself making $100 daily through Forex Day Trading.